What is up, Flowmies? I am Julianna, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the single finger pass off behind the back. So, when you do this move, you want to know the prerequisite is an ET pass off. And just to go over that really quick, we're going to do a finger spin, and then you're going to get your finger right in the middle, and you're going to touch your finger to the other finger and lift the Flowstar right off. So to start, I will say that it's easier for me to go from the right hand to the left hand when I'm going counterclockwise. So when I'm looking up, my finger is going counterclockwise. And then, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna slowly bend forward, and then we're gonna rotate our wrist out, and then we're gonna touch the finger to the other finger, and then we'll continue the spin once the Flowstar is on the other side. I'm gonna do this without the Flowstar just so you can see it. So we'll go counterclockwise. You're gonna watch the Flowstar, and you're gonna rotate your finger out, your wrist out, and then you're gonna touch your finger to your other finger, and then rotate your wrist back this way, and then continue the spin. You have to have faith that the Flowstar, if you're spinning it fast enough, will keep spinning, and you don't actually spin it until it's on the other hand. So we're gonna do counterclockwise from the right to the left. So when we are going from the right hand to the left hand, we'll be spinning it clockwise. While you're looking up, take your time if you need to, and get your finger nice and centered. And then you're gonna rotate your wrist out, touch your finger to your other finger, and then continue your spin on the other side. I'm gonna do it one more time from the right to the left just so you can see it. So we're gonna touch it here, rotate the wrist out and bend forward. And then we're gonna touch our finger to this finger, and then we're gonna rotate our wrist back. And that is how you do this single finger pass off behind your back. If you like today's tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us for more. Happy flowing.